Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video you are going to learn how to create basic shapes in Maya. To create any polygon shape, all you need to do is go to this polygon modeling cell and click any of these, such as we can click on this cube and see there will be a box cube visible on your viewport. There is another method to create. Go to this create menu and polygon primitives, turn on this interactive creation. Now if we click any of these, such as this sphere, see on your viewport there will be a pop-up window which is saying to drag on your viewport. Now if we click and drag, left mouse button, now click on this polygon cone, click on your viewport, release it and drag up to create your cone. There is another shape which are called curves or surfaces. We can create them by clicking any of these. Okay, undo it. Let's turn it interactive creation first, then we will create it. Okay, now click on it. It will ask now drag on your grid. Drag. So you can see whenever we create something on the channel box, we can see its scale value, rotation value and transition. This transition means its position on the behalf of this x, y and z axis. In 3D we have 3 axes. This red marked is x, green marked is y and blue marked is z axis. Okay, that's all. See you in the next video.